Okay, let's look at day one, number 4. All right, so what's given here is, a rectangle. So we can assume that this is a right angle right there, right? So it's a rectangle, right? Then here, this inequality actually gives you something about A and B. So if you say add A to, add B to both sides, you're going to get the 2A is greater than 2B, which means A is greater than B, right? So A is larger than B. So from there, we can see that we can see that if A is a larger angle, then we know that the Y is longer than X, which is opposite from the smaller angle. So this is a scaling inequality. So by scaling inequality, we know that Y is bigger than X, right? So this is called the scaling inequality. All right. So once you have that, then we can compare this. By Pythagorean theorem, we also know, by Pythagorean theorem, we also know that x squared plus y squared is equal to z squared, right? Right, which means that we can just solve for, put everything on one side. So z minus x squared minus y squared, y squared is equal to 0. All right. So this guy is actually on quantity B is same thing as z squared minus x squared minus y squared. All right. And here, this is same thing as z squared minus x squared, and you have another x squared, right? All right. So in order to compare them, you have the same thing. So g squared, so these are exactly the same. Minus x, x squared minus x here is exactly the same. Then you can see that we know that the y is larger than x. So you're subtracting larger number squared than subtracting a smaller number squared. So which means that this quantity is going to be larger because you are subtracting a larger number here. So answer is A. A is larger. All right. I hope that this was clear.